And races on Amanda. From the outside, rushing up Remus. Chismis done on the inside. Tiger Rafi. Andorra racing on the further outside is winning hand. Miss Pangao. Amanda, the favorite, by about 3 lengths, followed by Remus in second. Rushing up from the outside, winning hand done on the inside. Tiger Rafi running in fifth by about 6 lengths. Chismis done on the inside. Andorra, Miss Pangao and Typhoon Doding inside the last 700. Amanda by about 4 lengths, followed by Winning Hand, Remus Danori inside, and Tiger Ruffy. Rounding the fourth turn, Amanda by about 3 lengths. Remus is running by the row Winning Hand as they race the last 500. Amanda by only a length and a half. Remus is on the outside and Winning Hand as they race the final corner. Amanda by half a length. Remus on the outside and Winning Hand on the further outside. Amanda still leading by a length and a half and Remus on the outside and nearing the finish line. Amanda, Remus, Tiger, Rafi, and finally the favorite number 9, Amanda, Remus, Tiger, Rafi, Winning Hand, Andorra for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 9